today we are going to study about the vocabulary through the root word retro, which means old-fashioned, or you can say outdated. So today we'll learn retrograde, retrospect, retrodict, retronym and retrofit. So the root word in all these words is retro. So the first word over here is retrograde. It's an adjective. It means to move backward, or you can say reverting to an earlier or inferior position, because we know that retro is old fashioned, or in this particular word it means to move backward. It means you're talking about something which has already been done. So it means you're talking about something which is in you are moving towards back. Sentence says we can't accept a retrograde contract. From this particular sentence you can understand that we are not going to accept a contract which is actually inferior to the present one, so we cannot accept it. And it's also a verb. We can say all the planets will at some time appear to retrograde, means sometimes they take a backward position. Next word is retrospect. Retrospect means you try when you remember some past events. That is a retrospect. Past means something which you have done before, or you can say a survey or review of past course of events or period of time. So something when you recall about what has happened in the past, or you survey or you review, it means you are retrospecting something. Let's see, a full retrospect of the battle. It means you are reviewing or you are surveying what has happened in the battle. This whole year has been a total retrospect of my life. So this is how you can use the word retrospect in the sentences. Retrodict. Dict here means dict word comes from the word diction word, or you can say when you state a fact about the past which is based on your experiences or your own inferences rather than evidence, that becomes a retrodict. It means whatever you have experienced, you don't have any facts about it, but you have experiences, you have collected certain inferences. From there you give a certain idea on that. That becomes a retrodict. It's just that it's easier to retrodict than to predict. Now try to understand these two words. Predict means when you tell something about the coming time, you predict it. Retrodict is you tell about something what has happened in the past, but not on the basis of your any facts, but but on the basis of the inferences you deduce something. That becomes a retrodict. Then a retronym. Name here means a term, or you can say the word, like we have synonyms. Syn means synchronization. Synchronization means same. So when we have the similar meaning words, we call it synonyms. And same way we have antonyms. Nym means word, anti means opposite. See, this is a very easiest way to learn. When you split the word, you try to find out the root word. It helps you in learning the words. It actually retain in your minds for a longer time. So when you know the nym means word, syn means same. So synonyms means with the words which have a similar meaning. Antonyms is anti means opposite, nym means word. So antonyms means the words which are opposite in meaning. Same retro means past, back, old fashioned, and nym means what. So word introduced because an existing term has become inadequate. It means because the word has become old fashioned, or it's not isn't adequate enough to describe a new technology or terminology. So we call it a retronym. Example, nobody ever heard of analog clocks until digital clocks became common. So analog clock is your retronym. Nowadays we are using digital clock, the new terminology is there, so analog will become your retro name. Then this is very interesting word. This is retrofit. Retro means to furnish. It means you have something you have purchased, and at that time the things were not available. So you can say when you are adding something that did not have it when manufactured, or you can say when you try to adopt to a new purpose or a need. For example, you purchase a bike. When you purchase it, it has only the basic accessories which were required at that time. Now the things have been changed, and now you are able, like now you feel that some more accessories are to be added in that. So you, when you add those things, that becomes your, like you retrofit it. Let's try to understand with an example. Retrofit the scene for a new audience. It means fit the scene. Now you have to arrange the things, or arrange the sequence, or arrange the scene in such a way that it is now fit for the new audience. So retrofit over means to furnish, to upgrade, to update as per the requirement, as per the new requirement. I hope you all like the slides. Like, share, and subscribe. Happy learning. For more queries or suggestions, do email us at bytesixiksha@gmail.com.